Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So for this tutorial you'll be needing your basic bodice pattern for it, and I have the tutorial already and I'll be leaving the link on the description box below. So if you mark out your pattern on your fabric like so, we're going to go over to the next level. So here we're going to start off with marking the Dolman sleeve, and I'm leaving mine at 6 inches as you can see here. Then I'm going to bring it down and mark 3 inches like so. So here I'm going to connect this to the shoulder. This is not where it's going to sit. I'll make further adjustment to this later. So here you are going to go ahead and mark your round sleeve measurement, but before then you're going to mark 12 inches down from the shoulder length, and then you mark your round sleeve plus 1 inch for ease. So here you're going to connect this to this end, and then you're going to mark your sleeve. So the next thing you are going to do here is to extend this hip measurement by 12 inches. I extended mine by 12 inches. You can add or reduce depending on what you want to achieve. Then you're going to extend this line as well to the end. So here you've done it already. As you can see, I've extended this line, and here also I've extended this line as well, and I went further to connect it together. Then I added 1 inch seam allowance here and to this point, and at the bottom part also. I also added 1 inch seam allowance to the sleeve and ½ inch here for seam allowance. Then here I've made the adjustment for the shoulder measurement. As you can see, I've marked it from here to this point, and when you're done marking out your pattern, we'll go ahead and cut it out. Now you've cut out your pattern, we're going to cut out the back, and you've placed your front to the back. You're just going to mark 2 inches down the neckline and cut out. I've also cut out interface for my facing, so this is 3/4 of an inch width, and I've done the same also for the back bodice. So here I'll go on to the sewing proper. So here is my front pattern, and this is the wrong side facing me, and I'm going to sew around the neckline. As you can see, I've sewn this interface to meet, and I've notched these areas as well. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to fold it in, and then I'm going to cover it up and pleat it to the front, and I'm going to sew around this. So when I'm done, I'll do same to the back as well. And here we're going to be joining the back and front part bodies together from the shoulder with this ½ inch, and I'm going to join it from the side like so, and that's all for now. When you're done joining these sides, the next thing for you to do now is to cut off this excess area and then notch in towards the end so that you reduce frown lines. Next, you're going to hem this side and the bottom part as well, and also the mouth of your sleeve. So here we're going to go over to sewing the waistband, and here is 6 inches width, but I cut it on 4, so it's 3 inches you're seeing now. So we're going to sew it like so. At the mouth of it, you're going to curve it like this and sew along, and leave the other side of the mouth open. So when you're done sewing it and you trim off the excess fabric, the next thing for you to do is to use a ruler. I used my ruler for this. I'm just going to push this in like so to bring it out to the other side. When I'm done with that, the next thing I'm going to do is to fold in the other mouth of my waistband like so, and I'm going to stitch this closed, and my blouse is ready. Thank you guys for watching. I hope I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Make sure you like and subscribe and share my videos. Bye.